Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, audible.
Yes, sir. Answer, sir.
तर असं काहीच नाही का. हॅलो हॅलो.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sound,
हां.
sound is audible, no?
साऊंड इज ऑडिबल ना.
Ah, yes, sir, audible. Screen. What
स्क्रीन.
about screen?
व्हॉट अबाउट स्क्रीन.
Sir, turn off your one mic.
Screen is visible, sir.
नीड टू टर्न
Need to
दिस.
turn this.
हां. हॅलो.
Hello. Turn करायला लागतंय का?
टर्न करायला लागतंय काय.
नाही नाही
हॅल
screen
Sir,
दिसते
check
sir,
sir.
तुमचं एक mic
कारण
चालू.
आवाज येत होता.
Hello.
हॅलो.
इको
इको
येतोय.
येतं इको.
तर ते हॅलो हे
हॅलो.
सुनील जाधव तुमचं माहित चालू.
हॅलो. आवाजही नाही तिथे. हॅलो.
स्क्रीन दिसते का
स्क्रीन
व्यवस्थित?
दिसते का व्यवस्थित. हॅलो. हॅलो.
हा हा ते हा
हां. एड
आय एम नॉट
आय एम नॉट
गेटिंग
गेटिंग
युअर
युअर साऊंड.
हॅलो.
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 Mic turn off करा. दोन mic मुळे echo produce होणार.
हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हा
हां.
हॅलो.
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 सर तुमचं एक माईक बंद करा सर.
हा हा
हां हां.
आता आवाज येतोय काय?
आता आवाज येतोय काय. हॅलो.
सर आवाज येतोय पण इको होतोय तुमचा आवाज. दोन्ही माईक चालू असल्यामुळं एक माईक बंद करा.
एक माईक दोन करा. एक माईक दोन आहेत का? हां. हॅलो. आत्ता येते का बरोबर.
हो सर.
ओके. स्क्रीन हे फळा व्यवस्थित दिसतोय का. ब्लॅकबोर्ड इट इज विजिबल. हॅलो.
येस सर.
यस यस ओके. कितनं बोलायचं कितनं बोला. Okay. Now let us we start our these problems by using our northwest corner methods. So yesterday we have solved this problem. First of all, this is our northwest corners. So you can put here the minimum value, which is the minimum value 10 here. So you can put here 10, make this 0, and this 10 you have to deduct from this 20, you will get 10. Correct? So then you can neglect this. So this will remain. This will remain. So in this row, which is the northwest corner, this one, you can make here square. So out of this, which is the minimum, the 10 is minimum, you can write here 10 and neglect this column because here it is a 0. So after that, this 10 you can get it deduct from 15, you will get 5. So what is the remaining? This one. So this one is remaining. After this, which is the northwest corner, this one. Okay. So select this one, which is the minimum. This 5 is minimum. So you can write 5 here and deduct 5 from 15, you will get 10. Okay. And then this is the 0, you can neglect this row. Then you come to this one. correct? So out of this, which is the northwest? This one. Okay. So remaining 10 value you can put here, delete here, and this 10 you have to deduct from 40, you will get 30. And last one, this is 30. So this is the northwest corner methods. Okay. So up to here it is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go for optimization of this problem. Now these problems you have to rewrite here. Okay. So here I will rewrite. So this is our 10. Correct. The element value is 2. Here is the 2 and here is the 3. After that, this is the 10. So here it is a 10. Element value 4. Then this is the 5. Element value is the 1. Here it is a 2. Come to next, here it is a 1. Here it is a 10. And here it is a 3. Here it is a 30. And here 1. Okay. So how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check that our degenerations equations m plus n minus 1 is equal to 5. Because the squares are the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it correct? So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So what is that? M 3, n is also 3, minus 1 is 5. Correct? So this is the degenerations equation. Then we will have to go to the next. Okay. So what is our next thing? So in order to solve this problem, first of all we have to go for optimum. Okay. So already we have got this 125, but we will not say that this is the optimum solution for this problem. Okay. So we need to solve this problem, optimality, how to solve this problem. So as usual in this you can write u1, u2, u3, v1, v2 or v3. So this is called UV methods. This is the UV methods or MODI methods, modified distributions methods. Correct. Now in this, first of all you have to find out value of this, value of this. Okay. So initially this value you have to suppose to 0. Initial this value you have to suppose to 0. Correct. Now we have to find out the V1. We have to find out the V1. So how to find out V1? We know that equations. What is that equation? Ui plus Vj is equal to Cij. This equation. Now you have to put all this value here. You will get this value. Okay. So U1 0 means here it is a 0. V1 we need to calculate, means here it is a plus V1. What is the Cj? Element is 2, 2. So here it is a 2, 2. Correct. So what is the V1s? V1 should be 2. So you can write 2 here. Correct. This is clear? Hello? Hello? It is clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
we have to, this is V2. Okay. Now by using this U2, you can find out the U2. So here it is V1 2. you have to calculate this also. Correct? So how to calculate? Same formula you can use. Here U2 we require to calculate. Now what is it? V2 here it is a 2. What is the corresponding element? 4. So here E2 this is equal to 2. So here you can write 2. This is the 2. Now by using this you have to calculate V2. Correct? How to calculate V2? So here V2, that is the 2, V2 and corresponding element, this is the 1. So what is the V2 here? Minus 1. So here you can write minus 1. Okay. Now by using this, you have to calculate this one. So you can use the same formula. So here U3. What is this? V2. This is minus 1. And what is Cj? This is the 3. So here you can write 3. So E3 this is equal to 4. So here you can write 4. Correct. Now by using this, you have to calculate V3. Okay. So here it is U2, this is the 4. Now V3 we have to calculate. Element value is 1. So V3 this is equal to minus 3. So here you can write a minus 3. So am I correct? You can check this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello? It is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Hello? Anybody having any problem? No problem? It is clear, no? Okay. Now, what is our unallocated cells? So, in this you have to find out the unallocated cells. So, what is this here? This is unallocated cell. So, this is our first row. So, this is the first row. Which column is there? 1, 2. So, here it is a 2. Okay. After this, first row, third column, 1, 2, 3, third column. Okay. Now in this you have to go. So here it is second row, unallocated. This is allocated, here unallocated. So here it is 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come to here. So here it is 1, 2, 3, third row, first column, like this. Now you have to calculate this value. You have to calculate this value and it should be less than 0 or equal to 0. If it is there, then we have got the optimum solutions. This is our expectation. Now how to calculate 1, 2? So in order to calculate this, we have to use this formula, penalty formula, Ui plus Vi minus Ciz. This formula you have to use. So 1, 2. So this is the 1, 2. This is the cell. So here it is U is the 0. U is the 0 and here it is minus 1. What is the cell's value? Minus 2. So here, how much here? This is the minus 2. So here it is minus 3. Correct? Correct or not? Hello? Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Have you got this? How we have calculated by using this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
thank you. Now we have to calculate 1 3. So 1 3 1 3. This is the first row, third one. So here it is u. This is the 0. Here I will write u. This is the 0. What is the v here? Minus 3. What is the cell value? 3. This is the minus 3. So here it is the 6. Correct. Now you can go to this one, unallocated cell, this one. So here it is u, this is the 2, u2 is there, and here minus 3, cell value minus 2, so here it is minus 3. Correct. Have you got the same thing? Is there any problem? Okay, minus 3. Now last one, 3 1. So this is 1 2 3, 3 row, first column. What is u3? 4. What is here? 2. 2 is there. And what is the cell element? 1. So how much here? 5. Clear? Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now out of this, you see this unallocated cell, minus 3, minus 6, minus 3, but here is a plus. Means this solution is not optimum. We have to go for next. But before going to next, you have to select the highest positive value. So this is your highest positive value. Okay. So which cell is there? 3 1. So this 3 1. Correct. So in this 3 1, you have to put here dot, and you have to make the loops in this direction. So you have to go like this. Again you have to go like this. Again you have to go like this and come to the original. This is closed loops. So here it is a plus, minus, alternative you have to go, plus, plus, minus. Okay. So minus minimum value you have to deduct, and you can add in the plus value, and you have to rewrite the next column, and then we have to go for next solution. Okay. Now other than this, you can write as it is all these things. So here it is a 10 2. So you can write here 10 2. After that 2 3. Here it is a 2 3. Correct. Now what about this 2? So here you can write 2. Here it is 31. So here you can write 31. Okay. So next, which is the minimum? This 10. Both are same. Okay, so you can deduct at all from this and this, and you can add this into this and this. Okay, so here 10 minus 10, this cell is vacant, you can write 4 here. Here also 10 minus 10, you can write here 3, because we are deducting minimum value. And this value you can add here and here. Okay, so here if you add, then it will become 15, and if you add here, this will become 10. Correct. So as usual, here it is a 1, here it is a 1. Correct. So this is our next table. Next alteration is there. Correct. Next alteration. Now, in this we have to check again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fours are there, sir. Anything is left here? 10 is here. Correct? So as it is, we have written there. Then again we have to go for same alterations. Means here you have to find out U1, U2, U3, V1, V2 and V3. This value we have to find out. Correct? So as usual, what is there? Now you tell me what should be here? What should be there? U1. Hello? 0. Okay. Now you tell me what about V1? What is the V1? 2. Correct. This is the 2. What about V3? Because we in the same column. What about V3? What about V3? Hello?
-1.
-1. Correct. -1. Here you can write. Okay. Now we know this. You can go here and you can calculate V3. What is V3? 2. Correct. So here it is a 2. Now what about V2? Calculate V2. Hello? Calculate V2. Hello? How much V2? Hello? Up to here it is clear? Hello? Now you calculate U2 and V2. How to calculate? Anybody has calculated? Anybody has calculated? No idea? Hello? This value, how much? Hello? It is visible, no? Hello? It is visible? Anybody is there? Hello?
Yes, sir, visible.
Visible. Now you tell me what is V2 here? U2 or not getting? Now who will tell how to calculate V2 and U2? You remember this one, no? Which one? CUI plus BJ is equal to CIJ. Correct. So which is allocated cell? Allocated cell is this. Correct. So in this, what is Cij? This is 1. So here we can write 1. Okay. Now this both, we don't have both values. So under these situations, once again you have to consider this is the 0. Whenever this situation will be there, once again you have to consider here 0. So if you put 0, then this should be 1. Am I correct? Correct? You have to remember this thing.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Have you got this? How I calculated 1? Hello?
Yes,
समझ
sir.
लगे? समझ लगा? Hello? Have you got this? Hello?
Yes.
Have you got?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is our next step? As usual, we have to calculate like this way. So, unallocated cells, first C. So, in this row, this is the unallocated. So, this is the first row and second column. First row, second column. Then first row, third column. After that, here, second row, first column, then second row, 1, 2, third column. After that, here, this is third row, 1, 2. Now you have to calculate this. Now you have to calculate this. What is C12? Calculate. How much here? Hello? How much here? First row, second column related to this. How much? You can use this. You have to use this one. UI plus, this is the penalty equations. Okay, by using this, what is our U1? 0. What is V? Where it is a 2. Which one? Related to this, no? Or this? Unallocated. This is allocated, this is unallocated. Only you have to consider like this only. Okay, so related to this, here U, this is the 0. What is V here? Plus 1 and minus Cj. So what is the minus Cj? 2. So what is your answer? Minus 1. So here it is 0, 0 plus 2 minus 2. Here it is a minus 1. What about this? 1, 3. 1, 3.
Minus 1.
Correct. Minus 1. Why? How we have calculated for this C13? C13 here it is a 0. What is your V here? 2 is there. Minus 3 cells value. So here it is a minus 1. Now calculate 2, 1. This one. So you
Minus 2.
How much?
Minus 2.
minus 2, correct? So here it is a 0, correct? 0, what about this? Plus 2 and minus 4, so here it is a minus 2, correct? 2, 3, this one, how much?
0.
2, 3, huh? How much?
0.
0. Okay, so check, let us check this. 2, 3, this is our column 2, 3. So, 2, 3, 2, 3, here it is 0. And what about this 2? And this sales value is minus 2. So, here it is 0. So, what about this 3, 2? Third row, second column.
-3.
So here it is a minus 1 plus 1 minus 3. So here is the minus 3. Correct. So now you can check all this value. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus. So this totally is less than equal to 0. Correct. That means whatever cells we have allocated, that is the correct. Now this value will get different from this. Correct. Now you have to calculate this. So how to calculate? 10 into 2 plus 15 into 1 plus 10 into 1. Correct. 30 into 1 plus 30 into 1. Now calculate how much here?
75.
75. Correct. So this is the 75. Correct. Now this and this is different. So this is the optimum. But if you don't want to find out the optimum solution, and this is the minimize the transportation cost. Correct. And if you require the optimum transportation cost, then you will have to go for this thing. So this is about the UV methods or MODI method. MODI methods means modified methods, modified distribution methods. So this is the transportation problem. Okay. So we have completed assignment problems by using Hungary's methods. After that, we have gone through transportation models, waste cost methods, initial feasible solutions. So initial basic feasible solutions. In this, we have got three methods: northwest corner method, least cost methods, and VAM methods. So these three are methods. It comes under initial basic feasible solution. This is the initial basic feasible solution. But if you solve any problems by using this, and if you require optimality, then you have to use this method. Means initially all problems you have to solve by this. This is the initial basic feasible solutions. And if you require optimality in the transportations, then you have to follow this UV methods. And after this, you will get whatever value, this value is the optimum value. So this is about the transportations. Correct? So with this, this problem is worse, as well as this chapter is worse. Correct? Now I will give one test to you, that you have to write and solve the numerical problems, and after this we will start our last chapters. Correct? So this lecture will not start our last chapters, but next lecture will start our last chapter, that is CPM and Word. But before that, anybody having any doubt, you can ask me, and be ready with your pen and paper, so that I will give some tests to you. You have to solve this and get it scanned and send that PDF copy to me. Okay. This is actually gate questions. So you can write in gate, this type of questions will be there. Each transportation problem we'll have to see. Initial basic feasible solution. Which transportation problem we'll have to see initial basic feasible solutions. So this is the second gate problem. Which transportation problem you will have to see initial basic feasible solutions. out of this. So, which method is used for testing optimality of transportation problems? So 1, 2, 3, this. Out of this you have to write. And last one, this is also gate problem. Okay. Now see that these are the objective type of questions, and it is expected to be asked in your competitive exams or gate exams. So here already we know that to find out the problems of degeneration we required which formula, that we have to check. Then here transportation problems, which are the initial basic feasible solutions calculation methods. 3 methods are there that you have to search. Then which method is used for testing optimality in the transportations. So you can, just now we have solved the problem. And last one, transport material, 3 plants and 5 warehouses. Warehouses means store. Is it correct? Normally in Marathi it is called godown. Correct? So 3 plants we have to supply, the 5 warehouses. Then what should be the allocated sales? So this problem is based upon this. If you solve this, then you will get solved. So this is about the objective questions. Have you written all these questions? Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the 4 mark questions. Now I will give next descriptive questions. So instead of writing, shall I dictate this or shall I write here? Shall I remove this? Hello? Have you written this now? Hello. Shall I remove this? Hello. So just check what is the answer of first question. What is the answer of first question? Hello. Anybody is there?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of first question?
D option, sir.
D. M plus N minus 1. Number of cell allocated. It is less than. We have checked normally here. Yes, we have checked this. How many cells are there? 5. So 3 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. So here 3 plus 3 6 minus 1. So this condition is satisfied. If you have to use this formula, it should be equal. You can check our previous formula. This answer should be there. Correct. It should not be less. It should be equal under that conditions. Now what about the second? Which transportation problems we will have to see initial basic feasible solution. How many methods are there? How many methods are there? Hello? How many methods are there? 3 methods are there. This is a multiple choice of question. So here Vogel's approximations method, northwest corner method and least cost method. So these 3 methods, it will comes under the initial basic feasible solution. Now this is used for testing the optimality test of transportation. Which method is used for testing? Now here we require this method. Okay. And what about the last? So here it is a 3 plus 3 to 5. How much allocated cell should be there? Hello? 3 plant, 5 various. 3 plant means how much here? So here it is 1, 2, 3 and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is there. So you can make use of this. What is M? M is number of row 3 plus number of column 5 minus 1. So what should be here? 7. So 7 should be their allocated cell. So this is the answer related to this. Okay. So write difference between assignment and transportation. So what is the broad words you have to remember. Assignment means you have to assign the work. Suppose man and machines are there. We have to assign machines to the particular man. Correct? Then material machines are there. We have to assign material to particular machines. Material assigned, job assigned, job to the machines. Then as per machine we have to assign the peoples like this. Assign work is there. Work need to assign. And transportation means finding the routes, which is the minimum cost. Finding the route or the sequence, and at the same time you have to do the transportation cost. Correct? Now here assignment we are using Hungary's method. This is only one method to solve the assignment problem. And here we are using three methods. That is the first method, northwest corner methods, least cost methods, VAM methods, and to test the optimality we can use UV method or Modi method. Correct? So this is the assignment and transportation. You can give one example of this. This is the difference between assignment and transportation. Now question number 3. So this is the assignment problem. You have to assign 4 types of castings are there, and here 4 types of machines are there. This is the unit cost. This indicate unit cost. You have to calculate the optimum total, the assigned value for this casting and machine. Okay. So these are the 4 types of casting, 4 types of machines. You have to assign the work, okay, and calculate the assigned value related to this. So this is the problems from Made Easy book. This is the problem from Made Easy books. You have to solve this problem. Okay. So with this, we conclude that our chapter numbers 5th is was. Now tomorrow onwards we go for CPM and PERT. CPM and PERT. This is the last chapter. So unit number 6. So tomorrow onwards, this is the last chapter we are going to solve the problems as well as the concept of the same. Okay. So here we'll stop here because our time is over. Now whatever this test I have given to you, you get it solved, scan that and send that PDF to me. Correct? Okay, thank you. We'll stop here. जरा जाधव सर ठीक है ठीक
चव्हाण चव्हाण प्रवीण विठ्ठल 23
पोरं संपन्न पोरं गायकवाड